Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning market webcast. Okay, so the slog continues. No other way to put it. Same thing as yesterday. Bulls are holding the 9-day as support. They need over 2,900. Bears must break weekly pivot. So what do I write today? Same as yesterday, 2,900 versus 2,880. That's your weekly pivot. So 2,880 is also basically the area of the 9-day, although that's up to 86 now. So you can just see this little bleed. These are the markets that drive you crazy. And these are the markets that you have to actively trade and grab handles and just, kind of do your thing with. It's tough. It's tough. The nice part is on the other side of markets like this are typically, really nice volatility. So hourly chart, you can really see it there. I just put a big old triangle or a rectangle block there. 2,900. So you can really see it. When it gets up into that zone, the bulls have to act better than they have. I could take another triangle block and stick it down here. Because every time we get down here, bears do nothing with it. So here's your 20 handles. Here's where we live. So the question today is they going to hold it here? Are we going to head back in? Is the hourly midband going to continue to support it? Supported it overnight. You got matching lows at 90, which was trying to be resistance yesterday. Now it wants to be support. If that holds, once we convert 2,900, that's where the next leg of the market really, really lives. And if they break 2,880, you're going to get, a solid retracement back, and you start to look at areas like 2,854, 60, 54 to 60. That's your daily midband. But for now, we are living in this little, 20-handle phone booth of price, which, frustratingly turns into like a 5-handle phone booth. Okay, so take your profits where you can find them. Understand, this usually doesn't last very long, and it sure as hell isn't going to last forever. It just feels like it's going to last forever. So these are areas that I'm watching today. Over 2,900, 95, 90 on the down, and then 80. Okay, and up above, you got to look at 29.15, 29.25. All right, that's all I had to say. Because it's the same damn thing as yesterday, right? We opened in about 15 minutes, so I want to get this out. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.